Hello, I'm Daniel Sturmer, Mayor of the City of Weston. We are now at the stage of Phase 1 of reopening of businesses beginning Monday, May 18, 2020. With this reopening phase, businesses will need a plan to monitor their employees' health. Employees and customers must wear facial coverings. Regular and intense cleaning will be required. Social distancing will continue to be mandatory, and additional rules are in place for each type of business. The economic and emotional toll of having to close businesses has been enormous. I cannot stress enough that we want to reopen to be successful on multiple levels so we can continue to move forward towards Phase 2. The major highlights of the Phase 1 reopening include a list of businesses and services allowed to operate has expanded. Professional services and other businesses located in multi-business office buildings can resume normal operations. Restaurants and food establishments can open for dining at 50% indoor occupancy with 6-foot distancing and other restrictions. Retail establishments selling goods other than personal services can open at 50% indoor occupancy with other restrictions. Businesses that provide personal services by Florida licensed professionals, including barbershops, salons, and nail salons, can open with restrictions. Community rooms, fitness centers, and gyms located within multifamily housing developments or community associations can operate with restrictions, including 50% maximum occupancy. We are allowing for swimming pools to operate as described in Broward County Emergency Order 20-10 with the additional requirement that all pool furniture shall be removed from the pool decks. Public pools and private club pools can open with restrictions. If you are a restaurant owner and wish to expand your outdoor seating capacity, visit our website at westonfl.org/new way for the required information. To our residents and visitors, for those that are comfortable doing so, you're welcome back to local shops and restaurants. We ask everyone to be respectful of those around you. Follow the rules that are in place for your safety, and in doing so, we will all move forward faster to the next phase in Florida's and Weston's recovery and take our next step in our new Weston Way. Be safe, be healthy, be smart.